Hi everyone, welcome back to Airdrop Insider, your go-to channel for the latest crypto airdrops and blockchain rewards. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about how to spot legit airdrops and avoid scams. Airdrops are a great way to earn free crypto, but not all airdrops are legit. Some are scams designed to steal your funds. Stick with me because I'll show you how to identify real airdrops, avoid scams, and maximize your crypto gains. As always, if you have any questions or need guidance, you can reach out to me directly on Telegram. I'm here to help with advice, updates, and support for all things crypto. The link is in the description below, so don't hesitate to connect. Let's dive in. What is an airdrop? Airdrops are free token distributions by crypto projects to reward early supporters and grow their community. Why join airdrops? Get free crypto with no investment. Discover new blockchain projects early. But be careful. Some airdrops are scams designed to steal your data or assets. Watch out for these scam warning signs. Number 1. Suspicious social media, fake accounts, and low engagement. Number 2. Unrealistic promises, guaranteed profits or high returns for no effort. Number 3. No website or white paper. A legit project should have clear documentation. Here's how to verify airdrops. Step 1. Check the project's website and white paper. Look for clear details. Step 2. Look for active community engagement. Join official Telegram and Discord. Step 3. Verify airdrop details. Avoid airdrops asking for private keys or large upfront deposits. Protect yourself with these safety tips. Do your own research. Always verify sources. Use a secure wallet and strong passwords. Prefer non-custodial wallets. Beware of phishing links. Only use official websites. Want to make the most of airdrops? Understand the project's tokenomics. Know the value of what you're receiving. Look at long-term potential. Some tokens gain value over time. Diversify your airdrops. Join multiple legitimate ones to spread your risk. Now you know how to spot legit airdrops and avoid scams. Want trusted airdrop updates? Subscribe to Airdrop Insider and turn on notifications so you never miss a real opportunity. Have questions? Message me on Telegram. The link is in the description. Stay safe and happy earning.